This problem is dealing with two towns whose population is growing exponentially. And so because of that, we can represent them using an exponential growth equation. Y equals A multiplied by B to the power of X, where A represents the initial amount of of whatever we're dealing with. So in this case, the initial population. So for Jonesville, the initial population is 1,240. And we're going to be multiplying it by 1.06. And how did I get 1.06? Well, I took 6% as a decimal, 0.06, and added 1 to it. And so that's going to be to the power of x. So that equation represents the population growth of Jonesville. Now, I want it to be equal to the population of Williamstown. That's what we're trying to find out in this problem. After how many years will it take for the populations to be equal? So for Jonesville, the equation is for Williamstown, the equation would be 890, because that's the initial population amount, multiplied by 1.11 to the power of x. Similarly, we got 1.11 by taking 11% as a decimal and adding 1 to it. Now, basically, we're trying to solve this equation. We're trying to find out what value of x makes both of these equations the same. Now, really, the easiest way to do this would be to use your graphing calculator. And let me just move this off to the side. What is going on here? Sorry. There we go. So you can see I've graphed the two equations. And to solve it, we're trying to find out which point where they intersect each other. And we can see that happens where we have an x value of 7.195. So the closest value to that is 7. So approximately, it'll take 7 years for these two towns to have the same population. All right, that's all for this video, and thanks for visiting JD's Preparation.